How to delete search history on YouTube. So what we really need to do is we have to open our YouTube app here, and after opening our YouTube app we will simply click on our search bar, which is in our upper right corner, and there we will be able to see all of our search history here. And what we will simply do is we will simply go back and click on our profile and go in our settings. There we will get to see an option of manage all history. We will simply click on that, and here we'll be able to see all of our history and get an option of delete. So you can simply click on that delete option, and after clicking on that you will get to see option of delete today, custom range, and all time. You can simply choose it and delete however you like. I will be deleting all of my history here, and after clicking on delete I'll click on delete all time. Then we'll be able to see that our all of the history has been deleted, and that is how to delete your search history on YouTube.